guys, we're here doing another cruise ship video for today. And first up, we have Celebrity Equinox. There's Celebrity Equinox right there, Celebrity Equinox, and I said it's triple X, but there's Celebrity Equinox, so yeah. Next we have MSC Seaside, right there, MSC Seaside, that's right there. Carnival Glory, right there, that's Carnival Glory. And right there, Norwegian Bliss, and Harmony of the Seas. No, Symphony of the Seas, right over there. So those are all the cruise ships for today. Thank you for watching. Bye. Back at the Pan Am Center, gotta return this plane, it broke, as y'all saw in my video yesterday. But yeah, here at Miami Airport, there's that MD-11. Really nice. Here's Miami. Santa Claus. It's a nice day today. I'm gonna go to the park and fly my drone later. Here we are.
Going to the store. Oh, go ahead and sign it here.
Oh. Do have simulators. Look at all the planes they have. They're simulators. Pan Simulator training courses. I think it's upstairs or something. It's cool. I have simulators here.
Yeah, I thought so.
And that's the coffee table is an actual airplane turbine. Wow, we're back.
We need to return one of these planes. The wheel
Has the wheel of a 777. I would have never guessed. That's cool. I would have thought it was just a A350 but longer, but I can actually tell the difference between them. Thank you. Can I see the Sky Cargo 747? What's that?
Yeah. I gotta move this one. If I could be able to move all of them.
Oh, okay. And this is longer than the A380.
Yes, it is. You are correct.
sign out and your name.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
I've decided to keep the British Airways 737.
All right. Thank you for your visit. Have a good day.
Bye.
You too. Thank you. Bye. Okay, so I want you to